Hello everyone, my name is Nuramira Raudah, Matric number 307856. Today we are exploring a fundamental aspect of rail logistics, the payload of the railway, specifically focusing on coaches and wagons. While they both travel on the same steel tracks and are pulled by the same locomotives, they have two very different missions in our transport network. First, let's take a detailed look at coaches. Coaches are specialized units designed strictly for passenger transport. Because the payload here is human, the primary engineering priority is safety and absolute comfort. Modern coaches, such as our Malaysian ETS system, are equipped with advanced HVAC air conditioning to handle our tropical climate. They feature ergonomic seating, interior lighting, and sophisticated suspension systems to ensure a smooth, stable ride at high speeds. Their ultimate goal is to provide a pleasant, safe, and efficient travel experience for every passenger. Next, we shift our focus to wagons. Wagons are the true workhorses of the railway system. Unlike passenger coaches, they are built for industrial durability and revenue-earning cargo. They don't need seats or air conditioning. Instead, they need the structural strength to move massive amounts of weight across long distances. In Malaysia, we commonly see hopper wagons used for bulk goods, like coal or stones, and flatbed wagons, which are essential for carrying heavy shipping containers in intermodal logistics. Their goal is to move the nation's economy forward as efficiently as possible. In short, coaches move people and wagons move goods. Both are essential components that give our railway infrastructure its true purpose and value. Without them, the tracks would be empty. Thank you so much for watching my presentation today. I hope this has helped you understand the vital role of rolling stock in our logistics industry.